Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got the next video for you in my Faces Basics of Portraiture series, which coincide with the book that I released on Gumroad and my Patreon page. You can access it there. If you become a patron for as little as $1 a month, you can access the book. I also have a trimmed down version of it on my blog that you can access if you want to just preview it. But these portraits again are done using Procreate. I'm still using that application. I just am super comfortable with it. You can see in these pieces that I'm applying the basics that I cover in the book. So the underdrawing and then sort of building out from there. The underdrawing process I've pulled from a number of different sources and teachings. The Riley method is one of them, and then also I've often used a book called Figure Drawing Design and Invention, I believe is what it's called. I'll put a link below and you can see it there. These are all done using observation from the photograph, except for the last piece, which is done through observation of my wife while she was drawing at her kitchen table. So that one's a little bit trickier because the subject is moving around and not exactly static, but you can see here the same rules apply. So as I'm drawing her, I'm still looking at the underdrawing, getting the general structure down, and then applying the development of the form over top of that basic structure. So I hope you're enjoying these videos. Until next time, everybody, be good to each other. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to see more content, please click one of the videos on the screen. If you'd like to be notified when all my videos go up, please click the bell icon. And if you'd like to follow me on social medias, you can find me on patreon.com/Corey Lansdell. I'm at Corey Lansdell on Twitter and Instagram, and you can find me on Facebook as well. Until next time, you guys, be good to each other.